and it's burning up inside. Sweat dripping down while I take it for a ride. My compressor's dying, no FREON in the tank. Air feels like fire, it's a driving rolling bank. So I pop the hood and I do a quick scan. Gotta get this fixed by the best in the land. Take it to PFE Car Aircon Parts and Supplies. We've got the fix, we'll be opening your eyes. We service the system from the front to the back. Got every component to put the chill on track. Yeah, we got the tools, yeah, we got the gears. The coolest auto shop to conquer all your fears. The compressor starts pumping the heart of the cool. Don't let the heat make you look like a fool. The condenser is blowing the hot air away while the evaporator makes a breezy display.